Hello, and welcome to Grasslands 116, the hidden gem of the South. Just in here we have a nice little dresser, wardrobe, and desk for the single room, as well as a school-provided chair, nightstand, and bed, as well as a good amount of light coming from both the school-provided light as well as the window and skylight duo. Just in here we have the dressers and closet space for the people living in the double. Moving along, we have the double. This room has 2 desks, 2 chairs, 2 nightstands, and 2 beds, as well as a good amount of window space. And just in behind it here, we have the washroom. There's me. Hi, me. Under here, we have a good amount of drawer space, as well as a nice little toilet and shower. Well, there you have it. Just one more look. This is the double. And right over here, we have the single. Anyhow, I hope you had a good time watching this video. I hope that it gives you a good sense of what you have to look forward to living in Grasslands 116.